Hello everyone, welcome to Bright Solutions YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a table style and cell data bars in Microsoft Excel. To add a table style, follow these simple steps. Select the data. Go to the Home tab in the ribbon. Select Format as Table from the Styles section. Select a style you like. Make sure the range selection covers all your data, and if your data has column headings, make sure the My Table has headers is checked. Click the OK button. Next, let's use cell data bars to visualize our data trends within the cells. It's an excellent way to see the magnitude of values quickly. To add a data bars style, follow these simple steps. Highlight all the quarterly sales data. Go to the Home tab. In the Styles section, press the conditional formatting icon. In the drop-down menu, go to Data Bars. Select a style you like. Now you've learned how to add a table style and cell data bars in Microsoft Excel. These features will make your data look more professional and easier to interpret. Don't hesitate to experiment with various styles to find the perfect match for your spreadsheets. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Excel tips and tricks.